We introduce Neil Marine, established in 1969, a pioneer in Sri Lanka fiberglass boat manufacturing industry for over 50 years. Neil Marine is one of Southeast Asia's largest fiberglass boat builders, catering to the requirement of all types of boats in varying sectors of the globe. Late, Mr. Neil Fernando, who started his career as an apprentice in early 1960s with workers and sons and Europeans, had a dream of building a boat on his own, which led to the start of Neil Marine. After the demise of Mr. Neil Fernando, his legacy does not stop here, as Mr. Neil Fernando's daughter, Mrs. Kumari Fernando, is now the chairperson of the group, continuing Mr. Neil Fernando's dreams to be even more stronger than before. Neil Marine is approved by the Sri Lankan Board of Investment and have the ability to build boards under Lloyd's Register of Shipping, the Nostra Veritas, American Bureau of Shipping, and Indian Register of Shipping, respectively. And Neil Marine is also certified by ISO 9001, 2015 Quality Management System. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction with the best in-class workforce. These values are reflected in every aspect of our production and management process. We have a dedicated quality assurance team that certifies each and every stage of production. Add documents in the necessary area for improvement, which are addressed in weekly quality meeting. Our quality assurance works in close conjunction with the surveys from the classification bodies. As a result, our quality procedures reflect these requirements. As an ISO-certified organization, materials are stored in accordance to manufacturer's specification, and these are monitored on a daily basis. Neil Marine make workboats, fishing vessels, pleasure boats, sailboats, lifeboats, catamarans, and many more. Our design office is headed by our chief designer qualified in naval architecture who has more than 15 years of experience in engineering and design, supported by qualified naval architects, engineers, and draftsmen, which enables our design team to work with accuracy and efficiently. Our main yard is located in Negombo, which is approximately 35 kilometers from the capital Colombo and only 7 kilometers from the international airport, which is a popular tourist city. Our yard spans more than 42,000 square meters and comprises of 4 climate control molding shops, carpentry shop, metal workshop, engineering area, polishing and finishing areas. Our fiberglass molding shops are humidity and temperature controlled. Neil Marine, one of the biggest fiberglass board builders in Southeast Asia, has been in the forefront of board building for the past 50 years and have built over 40,000 and exported to Netherlands, UK, France, Norway, Maldives, Seychelles, Gulf region, and African countries. We have partnered with Menken Maritime since 1995 and been proudly delivering boats to Netherlands throughout the year continuously. Over the past years, they have won numerous awards for their export contribution in Presidential Export Awards, the National Chamber of Exporters, Industrial Exports, and overall Best Exporter in the industry. In addition, the group also holds many reputed agencies such as Shell Lubricants, Suzuki Outboard Motors, Doosan Marine Engines, Vetus Marine Accessories, Wachai Inboard Engines, Mastervolt Marine Electrical Items under its name, Colombo Boat Yard has a team of engineers and workers where Suzuki, Doosan, and Wachai engines will be commissioned and repaired. Neil Marine have been best described as nothing less than icons in the marine world for all types of vessels. From the drawing board to the finished products have stood the test of time and truly deserving the accolade so often bestowed upon them of being one of the greatest manufacturing industry in Southeast Asia.